That is green right there. That's cool. I'll get those here in a bit. Is this your truck? Man, you need a shirt with a green decal on is what you need. You need that and green. It'd be perfect. That's a cool truck.
Thank you.
I like the color. What's the name of that color?
We mixed it. It's called Gosh Awful Green.
I like the name, but everyone loves it. It ain't gosh awful. Get my head out of the way. What's up, everybody? What's up, Thomas Wine? How do you say your last name? You have to say it like you're high class. Yes, hello, I'm Thomas Wine. Gotta have that AC. Hey. Is yours? Which green? Yeah, that's cool. That's kind of one of my favorite years in that body. So, is that a 50? See? People come up to, we used to have a 49, people come up and say 50. Do people always come up to you and say, hey, is that a 50? You're like, yeah. 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 You can tell. Like, no difference, really. Alright, guys, we're about done. Oh, like win. Got it. I don't know, I like wine better. God, I'm weird. Well, Thomas Wynn, man, thanks for watching. Thanks everybody for logging into F100 World and watching these videos. I do it for content for all of us. Loving these trucks, wanting to see more. I love all classics. Fords have a special place in my heart. Ford trucks especially. Yeah, actually I think I got a few more now that I mention it. Psych. Again, I'm out here in Branson off 76, and this is the Spinning Wheel Inn. The show is Ozark Mountain Run, and I won't be able to talk much because it's about to get loud. Police interceptor, wow. That's cool. You guys want to look at the dirt, or do you want to look at trucks?
Federal man sent word he better make his run no more. He sent to in the state, whichever road he tried to take, didn't sure his fate. So his daddy told him.
Talked to this guy too. He's pretty cool. Got a sticker and oh, there it is. Hell, he put it on quick. Sweet. Thanks, man. Outcast Auto Works. Represent.
Moonshine, moonshine, quench the devil's thirst. More there's more than getting it, but the devil got it first.
This is cool. All right. What came in these? I forget. A 229. Say. Nope, just says flathead. Something like 229, I think, is the cubic inch. There's a couple options. 29. Oh, wow.
I'm going to give you some of these because we were out of prizes and stuff for some of them. So.
All right, cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. That's cool. Look at this sucker. Isn't that cool? Wow. That is freaking fancy. Skull. Bottle of a That's awesome. Say hi, everybody. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Sorry, man. This is cool. I love these slicks. I really do believe, I really think anyway, that you can't beat a unibody, man. They're sexy looking. That's a huge engine. 332 big block. Where are you out of? Yeah? Man, I need to do a video on your truck. Yeah? I'm gonna come back and get your information. I do, content like this for Facebook. I have a Facebook group, Ford F100 World, and I just create this content. Some of these shows that some of us can't make it out to, the ones that are near me-ish, and go to some of the big ones and stuff. And I also interview people in trucks. So if you're all right with me posting it on Facebook, I'd love to talk about it.
I built several of them. And
have you?
It's for sale.
I love unibodies. Ooh, how much?
I told everybody I got $23,600 in parts in it.
Yeah.
I want to make some labor, but I'm not married to this thing. I've got 3 of them. So.
Dude, really?
I build usually 4-wheel drives. I own an off-road store, so this is out of my realm. But I took the body on trade, and the guy had it all molested, chopped. So I found the frame and I put it back and made it right.
You did
Kind of
too.
getting attached to it now, though. I've been driving it around.
Unibodies are rare, man. They're unique, especially. If
Well,
not rare.
this one wasn't on a rust bucket. It came out of southern Arkansas.
Yeah.
I spent a small fortune on it. It's a driver too.
Your for sale sign fell.
Oh yeah.
All right.
You don't want to be sold. Just keep
Yeah, that's good. It wants you to keep it.
Yeah, do whatever you want, man.
I already got the hood. But yeah, I want to contact you. We'll meet up some like Sunday or something, Saturday, and we'll do a video. And if you could, like a ride along or something cool like that.
Yeah, I'm in Springfield. Where you at?
I'm at Ozark, but Springfield.
Okay, well yeah, I live in Clever. I'll give you my card.
All right, yeah, you got a car. Heck yeah.
Yeah, I've got a bunch of big 4-wheel drives too.
Yeah.
You've probably seen my yellow and black.
I'll take that cash. That'd be good.
Yeah, I got a 66 on 40s that's on
cool.
a Super Duty chassis.
I think I've seen that one.
It's show quality.
That's nice.
It's big stuff.
Yeah, man. I'll come back and bug you. All right.
Yeah, whatever you
You too. Where are you at this time? I'm out here in Branson, 76. Yeah.
How much are they?
I'll be over there in a minute. You want to go hang up on my truck? I'm just finishing up this video. It's the flat black truck, 68.
Flat black 68.
And if you guys don't have the size or whatever, I can do orders.
All right.
And they're custom made.
All right.
Made to order. All right. Sweet. That's a cool truck up there. All right, guys, I'm gonna shut her down on Ward's truck over here. He rolled in before. We must have went and grabbed food. He runs 417 Enthusiasts. You guys might know him.
No paparazzi, sir.
Too bad. People love the truck. That's cool. I like that. Crew cab, man. You can't beat them. All right, that's it. I think I'm done. I'm doing Facebook Live, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like a car show online, you know?
Hey, good deal.
All right, guys, I'm going to end it here. What's up, guys? I want to thank all of you guys for jumping on here watching this. This was a Facebook Live out in Branson off 76. It's called the Ozark Mountain Run. It used to be called the Show Me F100 show. And it's here every year, and it's real fun. It's out here at Spinning Wheel Inn. So you guys should come out here if you're nearby. Come out next year, bring your truck, and if you guys are out here, come find me. I got t-shirts and stickers if you're interested. And yeah, I want to thank all of you guys. You guys are the ones that make this group so cool and really, you know, inspire me to go out and do some of these videos that are kind of ghetto, but it's still content with a bunch of Ford trucks in it. So. A bunch of classics. So I really appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you later.